Welcome to the world of luck, where luck beats all odds. Everything you'll see in this video is meant to raise awareness about road safety. Always drive carefully to protect yourself and others. Ever seen? The truck was demanding the right of way, while the driver probably had no idea what just happened. Thank God no one got hurt. A man, clearly intoxicated, narrowly avoided being hit by a train thanks to a quick-thinking crossing guard who stepped in just in time. Clearly, the cyclist only checked one direction for the train and didn't pay attention to the other side. To stay safe, we need crossing guards at every intersection. Shout out to the crossing guards who did everything they could to protect that elderly woman's life. Please don't go outside during a storm. It's really dangerous for you. Opening the car door carelessly like it's no big deal can teach you a lesson. In this case, the door flew right off, catching the Land Rover driver by surprise. Definitely a costly mistake. Officials said the soil where the project was being built shifted too much due to the river's current. There are cars ahead and behind the girl, and it's definitely a valuable lesson in patience. During heavy rain and a tornado, avoid stopping or seeking shelter under trees, especially on roads with large trees. Stay alert and be cautious. Luckily, no one was hurt. A bunch of locals quickly rushed over to help, pulling the driver out of the car and fixing the situation.
Mahvetmiş. Arabaya da galiba artık gelmiş mi, vurmuş mu? Adam kaçmış arkadaşlar. Birazdan polis arkadaşlar gelir, benden kamera kaydı ister. Ha? Of ya, of, adam beton atmış abi.
He reacted super quick to stop the car after forgetting to pull the parking brake. Staying calm was also the way the man overcame his fear. If you don't pay attention to the little things, it can lead to big problems. The lesson here is to always be careful and aware of everything around you to avoid unexpected issues. I'm not sure if they have a height restriction sign up. If they do, we can't really blame them. But either way, the gate should be the right size.
Stop it locates the vehicle.
He's in the lane, over 120 miles an hour.
We'll try to keep you updated. We're trying to keep up with him. He's going.
Up ahead, a deputy is waiting with stop sticks.
That's the exit. Stand by on the inside lane.
Diversion traffic is stopped because we're up here at Spike Strip.
Continue past the bridge. I believe he just tried to get fixed. He continued. He's on the outside lane on northbound. 158 northbound.
With nowhere to go, he attempts to U-turn.
Trying to cut into the median. He's going to get stuck. He's in the water. He made it. He's crossed. Back southbound. Southbound on the outside shoulder. I-95 southbound.
Traffic disinformation, he is armed.
Subject on the ground, turned out, stand by the
Deputies are reminded that he... And finally...
We need to install an automatic locking system with alerts to prevent the gas pump from being left attached. Avoiding the risk of explosions and ensuring safety when using the vehicle.
Professor.
These thieves used an excavator to break into an ATM, straight up criminal behavior. Don't even think about trying this if you want to stay out of jail. Oh my God. It could have been way worse. He's like 3 idiots rolled into one. Please share your thoughts on this situation. What is the time frame for this? Enough to put a yellow, slippery floor sign in the lower left corner.
Use the window. Got it raw.
Altitude is definitely something you need to watch out for in this situation. Check this out. This anti-theft system is seriously smart. Bet the thief was totally freaked out when it went off. What we're talking about here is carelessness on the job. Remember, safety comes first. Looks like today's been the worst workday for him. It seemed like he was about to disappear from the world in an instant, but it was God who saved him. His recklessness sometimes comes at the cost of his own life. Don't act like him. No matter the reason, it's unacceptable for the girl to recklessly cross the train tracks. Your guardian angel isn't always there to protect you. The crash reminds us how important it is to keep a safe distance on the road. This is the power of a Boeing 747 when its engines are pushed to the max. Oh no, the tire popped off and smashed the windshield of another car. Something that seems so simple, but not everyone knows how to do it. Drop your safe car opening tips in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button. It's a small click, but means the world to us. Most people on the road are in a hurry and impatient when they have to wait, which leads to speeding, reckless lane changes, and accidents. I could only breathe a sigh of relief when I saw the worker get up safely. Please stay away from the tracks. It's really a dangerous place. Hurrying sometimes costs us our lives. Don't trade a moment of speed for a lifetime of regret. That's not luck. That's pure skill and confidence. A real truck driver knows what he's doing. When the accident happened, the gates were open, but the bells and flashing lights warning of an approaching train weren't working, so drivers didn't get the warning. A man walking on the sidewalk narrowly escaped death. Who do you think is at fault, the bus driver? Even when flying in the sky, you need to stick to the proper flight path to avoid collisions with other vehicles.